Hey you guys, welcome back to another video.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'm so happy to bring you guys this fresh new acrylic design set with this stiletto tip, which is my absolute fave ever, and of course we are doing it in my favorite color. I'm just showing you guys some of the products that I'm going to be using in today's video, but I will be sure to list them down below and also tag them so you guys can grab them if you want to. If you do want to shop from my online store, which is glitterplanetuk.com, then you can use code ninja10 and it will give you 10% off. And for those of you that don't know, I do actually have an affiliate program or rewards program where you can join for free, get your own code and then share it, and you get like points, coupons, things in return. But I will leave that linked in the description box. If anybody is interested in joining my rewards program, then definitely check it out. Especially if you're already kind of using our products, you can get like points for reviewing products, which then you can spend on more things. So in the long run, it saves you the money. So yeah, we're going ahead. I've applied my clear acrylic base to all of the nails, and I'm going to be using Lilac Rose and Metallic Lilac Acrylic Powder along with Pure Pink, which is this gorgeous core, one of my favorites for a really like properly pink toned core. Like, it's absolutely stunning. So we're coming in with the design, and first off I'm coming in with metallic pink. We're applying that to the nail tip, blending it down towards the free edge so that it covers the entire nail. And then before I move on to the next part of this nail, I'm making sure to blend that glitter up. Since I'm doing an ombre where the glitter kind of fades underneath the core, I want to make sure that that product is blended and it's not like a harsh line, because sometimes you can then see that and it's very annoying. Next I'm coming in with the Nailmate Pure Pink Cover Powder, and I'm applying that just above where I finished the metallic lilac, blending that down over the product, and then making sure to also blend the back of the bead where I'm going to be placing my next bead, because you don't want a line there. You really want to just focus on basically making everything blend really nice and really pretty. But anyway, with this design, I just wanted to create a gorgeous spring nail set that's kind of not too spring, but you know, we get in there. Like, the sun's coming out the odd day here and there. Not for long, may I add, for 5 minutes, or even like you peep it and it's gone. But I'm excited that it's coming, and it got me in the mood to do some really cute pastel florals. And the flowers are kind of popping up in the garden, you know. The signs. The nice beautiful weather is on the way, and I cannot wait, because I'm sick of like dull skies and great, like I'm just sick of it. And it's really funny because I'll get to summer and then I'm like, oh, I can't wait for like cozy season, do you know what I'm saying? But like cozy season for a week and then give me my sunshine back, please, because I've had enough. Like, I'm seriously done. I am over it. Is anybody else just ready for some sunshine? Like, seriously? Bring it on. So of course I also chose a stiletto nail shape. I feel like I haven't done it for a while. I'm going to check back. Oh, I did do it. You guys loved it. So yeah, I'm bringing it back. We're doing Stiletto XL, and these are the easy tips. You guys know I'm in love with the easy tips. This time I used a natural, but look how stunning they are. Like, that natural tip color. Oof, if you even just, you know, I don't know, I just think they look so snazzy. Fresh, clean and beautiful. But yeah, I like to use the clear and the natural. This time I just happened to pick up the natural, and yeah, they just look amazing. I'm applying a full nail of Pure Pink to this one, since we're going to be coming in later on and painting a French. Initially I wanted to do an acrylic French smile, but then I was like, you know what, I'm actually just going to do a full French, and then I'm going to paint with the French white gel. So that's what I decided to do in the end. Next I'm coming in, we're doing a full nail of Lilac Rose Cover Powder. and this is one of my all-time favorites throughout spring, summer, and literally any time of the year. If I can use this powder, I am gonna be using it, you best believe. This Lilac Rose, Mint Ninja, and Pure Pink combined are just absolutely divine, like seriously stunning. But yeah, we're making a full nail of this colour because this is going to be a base for some chrome and sugaring nail design. I also wanted to let you guys know that the brush that I'm using in today's video is the Fierce Heart number 12. It is unbelievable, absolutely stunning. It is a petite sizing, so it's smaller than our original kind of line of brush that I carry on my website. So if you already have a size 12 in our brushes and you think, oh well, I don't really need another, girl, you best believe you need it because it is different, it is not the same, and you're gonna absolutely love it. Like, I've literally fallen in love with it. It might be like my fave brush for a while, but I want to let you guys know as well that they are limited edition. So once the stock of these is gone, like, that is it. I am not going to be bringing them back. I will create another style of brush, or you know, we're going to keep it fun, relevant, and I enjoy creating new things, so we're zhuzhing it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're moving on to the pinky finger, and we're going to go ahead and we are doing metallic lilac at the cuticle area. I'm making sure to pat that bead nice and securely around the cuticle to seal it in. And remember, I already have a clear base under this design that I'm doing as well. I'm blending that product down, and if I'm completely honest, I didn't blend it enough. I didn't kind of feather it out because when I came in with my pink ombre, like, it just didn't gel. Like, look at that now. Can you see how I've just not feathered it out? This is going to show you the importance of why you should definitely feather it out, because it just looks stupid in my opinion. Like, it just doesn't look seamless. It looked quite harsh and I was so annoyed with myself, but whatever, you know, sometimes it happens. And initially I was going to be like, yeah, well, I'm going to be doing the flowers over it, so it doesn't really matter, but it still bothered me. And then in the end, I didn't end up putting the flowers over it, so I was even more annoyed. But the design was still cute. Like, it still did turn out pretty cute, but just so you can see the difference of this to the other, it's like so much. Like, seriously, it just looks like a harsh blob of glitter underneath there. Like, it's not, you know, fizzling out. It's annoying when you want it to be perfect. But yeah, we're going to finish applying and creating this nail, making sure it's nice and beautiful, and then we're going to take a look at how the set is looking. There's me trying to blend it in a little bit more. Couldn't quite understand what had happened. So yeah, this is where we're at. This is how the set is looking. I'm going to come in, I'm encapsulating one nail just to show you guys, and then I'll go ahead and encapsulate the rest off of camera, and then we can come in, file, and do our little designs. Also guys, don't forget, if you haven't already, to give this video a thumbs up. If it just takes you a second, pause, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you have the time. Fingers crossed that you do, because I really appreciate everybody's comments and I love reading through them. I still have a few to get through and reply to on my past few videos. I promise I have read them. I just don't like or love some of them, because sometimes it disappears, like, not disappears them, but takes them off my notifications because I've responded even though I haven't replied, if that makes sense. And I really do like to reply, but I've just been absolutely crazy busy. You will not believe, like, I need to clone myself. I need an extra me. I'm like, girl, it's crazy. Like, it's literally crazy. So just something had to kind of not get done. So unfortunately, I just haven't replied to you guys yet, but I promise I will be replying. So do leave me a comment. Don't think it's pointless, because it really isn't. I read every single one, and you guys are just amazing. Like, the love and everything that I get on my videos is always next level. Like, I just want to say thank you so much for always tuning in, always supporting, and always being the bomb ass girl or guy that you are, okay? Because I appreciate you, like, so much. I wish I could just give everybody a hug, or, like, you know, hire out a massive place where we can all just, like, I don't know, have a party or something, like, get together, afternoon tea, bit of cake. Sounds fancy, sounds fun. We should probably do it at some point. Okay, so it's time to come in with the tapered carbide barrel. This is one of my favourite bits for debulking and refining the nails, especially around the cuticle, because it has like that tapered kind of form to it. It really gives the most gorgeous blend around that cuticle and allows the shaping with so much ease and like not a lot of effort, which I am all for. Like if something can take less time because a product or a tool is making it like more efficient, then yes, please bring it to me, you know what I'm saying? Right, I finished filing. Like I said, I was literally just showing you guys what bit I use. I did then come in with a hand file, which I always do for the free edge and just to finish file over the top of the nails. I then buffed them with my 240 purple sponge buffer from Glitter Planet. They come in a multi-pack. They're super affordable. I really wanted my files and my tools and supplements and all of that good stuff to be really affordable to all nail techs, which is why, you know, they are priced as they are. We also have the 10% discounts. There's 5% discounts, and we do hold a lot of offers. And we have kits and things like that. So if you're interested in any nail products, check out my store. Honestly, you're going to find something you love, because I love everything there. Like, seriously. Obviously, I love everything there. I've literally chosen and created and got everything, like, from me. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it comes through me before it goes on the website. It's very much still my little baby, and I love Glitter Planet and Nailmate so freaking much. Yeah, and I'm just so glad that you guys love it as well. And the support is just, like I said earlier on in the video, unbelievable. You guys are the bomb. Okay, so you just watched me apply the new Gold Flash Chrome over the lilac. Can we just admire its absolute beauty? Ooh, she's a stunner. An absolute stunner. I'm just going in and top coating and making sure to have a nice even layer, and then I can go ahead and cure that in the light. So next I'm coming in with some shades of purple gel polish. I'm using Purple Rain and Thistle. And we're going to go ahead and just decanter some onto a palette. Now I'm actually using the top of my new square dapping dish just because it's a flat surface. It's a 2-in-1 kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? It literally cleans off super easy, and yeah, I'm just living for it. So that's what we're doing. Just don't do what I did the first time round. Have it next to your lamp. When it cures, the LED waves went through my glass dapping dish, you know. They went up and penetrated through the bottom of the lid and cured the gel. I was like, no! So it took me ages. They did come off, obviously. It's just glass, so it scrubs off. But I was like, what the heck? So don't put it near your lamp when you do that. Anyway, moving on, I'm just applying some random squiggly swirls to the nail. I'm going to sugar the glitter over the top. I'm using Whisper, which is a gorgeous white glitter. Sugar it over the top whilst that polish is wet, then flash cure it. Am I flat? No, I'm full curing, sorry. And then I'm going to dust off the excess glitter and then repeat the same process using Thistle just above, adding a little bit more intricate, you know, accentuating the nails, making them look beautiful, and having, you know, a little bit of something there without it being too overstated. And yeah, I'm going for it. It's looking cute. Tapping off the excess, curing, doing all of that good stuff. I am living for sugaring at the minute. And textured nail designs with a lot of different things going on. Not necessarily like 3D textured. When I say textured, I mean like we've got the glitter, we've like the metallic glitter, we've got the chrome, we've got the gloss, we've got the French, we've got the sugared, we've got the lines, and then we're going to have the 3D like flower elements. Do you know what I'm saying? I just love having a lot of things going on. I know it's not to everybody's taste, but yeah, it's just my vibe, like forever. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, the set that I'm wearing currently on my left hand, I did that in a live. Hopefully you guys managed to check it out. If you didn't like join me, I did save it, so it's on my channel. If you just click live at the top tab, you'll be able to watch it back and see me create it. It was for my birthday nails. I didn't manage to get around to create and do my other hand, so it is what it is. I don't think I've ever had, or I haven't had a full set for my birthday for such a long time, because I'm constantly creating content, and yeah, it's just been a while. I think the last time was my 30th. because we went to London for a few days and I did do myself a full set. I think I'm 32 now, so it's been a couple of years. Not that long, but you know. We're sacrificing the nails for the gram, for the Instagram, for the YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, moving on swiftly. I finished up the sugared nail design and then I'm coming in and we're doing our French. I'm using the new 9mm liner brush. So this was part of the Valentine's launch. It's the Fierce Heart liner. The same as the acrylic. It's got the gorgeous like embossed design. It's a beauty to work with, absolutely stunning, and I live for it. Again, it is a limited edition one, so this design handle will not be coming back. However, I will be introducing, different ones in the future. But yeah, if you want to grab one, I'll leave the links below. We're filling in with the French white gel. This French white gel is amazing. Honestly, we have two whites on the website. So we've got white out and we've got French white. The difference is that the French white is a thicker consistency so that it kind of holds its form better and the opaqueness of the white is more. But white out is also still like white. Do you know what I'm saying? It's just a different, what's the word, of viscosity, but only slightly different, but it just makes that French pop in. So I came in, refined the French a little bit more with my brush, and then I'm coming in with my flowers. I cured the French as well in the light for the full 60 seconds. I'm using the little flowers. I wasn't sure whether to go with gold or silver. Like initially I was going to go ahead and do like lilac, purples and golds, but then when I got to this stage I was like, you know what, it's not kind of working how I expected. Like the envision that I had was looking more, cool toned as such, like more towards the silver. So that's what I ran with. I changed my mind and we went with the silver beads instead, and I think that definitely complemented it and just looked really, really stunning. So I'm just going ahead and applying those with the fluid gel, which is an absolute lifesaver. I love it for super quick crystal application. It also dries like with not a tacky layer, so if you want to kind of do some 3D blob designs with it, and all that good stuff, you can then rub your chrome straight over the top, which is just fabulous. Like seriously. Just popping a little bit more in the middle of the flowers, and then I'm coming in and adding a couple more micro beads just to add to the center of the flower, and I think they look so pretty. So we're just moving them around a little bit more before I go ahead and cure, just to make sure they're in the right position. Cure those in the light for the full 60, and then I'm coming in with my super gloss, top coating all the nails that need a top coat, and I do go around the flowers. You can go over the top of them, it wouldn't be a problem if you really wanted to make sure that they are super duper secured. Yeah, it's going around them in this one, and then curing that in the light for a full 60 seconds, cleaning off the nails, adding some cuticle oil, and then this is the final look. So here they are, the beautiful finished set. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I am in love with how this set turned out. I think it's absolutely adorable. If you want to check out any of the products that I used to create this set, you can check out my website, which is glitterplanetuk.com. You can also use the handle www.nailmate.com. But yeah, how cute. I am in love and obsessed with this set. As always guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as heck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.